Hello Champion, Chef George here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you how you're going to make some awesome gravy with some vegan sausage. We're using Beyond sausage, Italian sausage, and we're going to have some grits. So before we do that, hit the link below, subscribe, let the world know, because we're impacting and changing lives one taste bud at a time with the world famous Georgia all-purpose barbecue sauces, rubs, and amazing, mostly plant-based recipes. So here we go. We have everything set. We're gonna plate everything up. I got my grits over here. Put my grits on here. Put my grits on there. Those are grits. Those are good grits. So I'm gonna leave a link for you guys so that you can definitely see the recipe on how to make the grits. Here's the gravy. Here's that gravy up on there. That gravy on there. Look at that gravy there. Lord have mercy. Look at that gravy there. Then I'm gonna take this sausage with the sautéed mushrooms. We're gonna put that. This is that vegan sausage. Put that on there like that. Right. We'll put some of that the mushrooms on that. And my wife liked the mushroom there. Put some of these mushrooms with these. There we go. There we go. Also, I sliced up some tomatoes. Give it some color. Right, yeah. Slice up some tomatoes. Put that on there. Now what I'm gonna do too is first of all, I'm gonna wash my hands. Then I'm gonna dice up some parsley to do the garnish. Making sure, can you see this here? Making sure when you're cutting, you keep these fingers back. All right, you keep those fingers back so you don't mess around and go, uh-oh. Then you'll be all mad at yourself. So then we go ahead, we'll put those on there like that. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Look at that. Maybe sprinkle a couple on the there. See, there you go. Before I do that though, let me go ahead and see the little boo-boo on the plate here for y'all. A little bit of boo-boo on the plate. There we go. See that? Now there it is. So we're using Beyond sausage, the Italian sausage here. We have some sauteed mushrooms right there. We got the grits and the gravy right there. Little slices of some of that deliciousness, tomatoes. And again, I have a link for how to make the grits as well. And there you have it. So you guys, make sure you hit the link below, subscribe, like, share, let the world know. As I said earlier, we're impacting and changing lives one taste bud at a time with the world famous Georgia's all-purpose barbecue sauces, rubs, and mostly plant-based recipes. And with that said, you guys, we love you guys. God bless you guys. And make sure as you sharing this assists us in the algorithms with YouTube by sharing, liking, and commenting. So with that said, I'm Chef George. Until next time, you guys are awesome. God bless. Chef George out. Fired up.